Hey Bill, this is Andre. Today you mentioned that the screen recordings are useful to you. I'm not sure if they are or not, but if you're saying yes, then sure. Okay, so I'll record another one because working with audio is very important. For example, today I pulled the live stream video, and this is the wave, and I can see that the wave is very, very little. You can see at the bottom, this is the wave from the camera. It's pretty loud, but at the top layer, it's just the way guys recorded. It's pretty quiet. So right now, when I'm playing here, I just muted the bottom layer, and you can see it's very quiet compared to, look, see, this is the original and this is the live stream. So the question is, how can we boost the audio from the live stream? Well, the cheap way to go about it is to simply go on levels and boost it up, but that's it's gonna bring a lot of noise issues here and there. So the professional way is to go export, right, media, and here instead of choosing H264, we have to choose MP3, okay, and 128 kilobits is fine. We can go 192 for even higher quality. I mean, for the sound you're not gonna see any difference, but okay, so I'm just gonna say sound, click export. It's probably gonna take 3 minutes because it's a 54-minute video. That's fine. I'll come back in a couple minutes. Number 2 is to launch Adobe Audition, and this is let me minimize Premiere. Okay, this is Adobe Audition, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this sound MP3, the one I exported, and drag it to Adobe Audition. Okay, so this is the sound. Usually sound has to be somewhere over here. You can see like there's a line. This is the peak, the white one. So I'm probably gonna boost it, and all I do, I go to the FX and what is it called, amplitude and compression. There's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna choose the top one, amplify, and probably by 5.25 dB, and I'm probably gonna amplify second time because it's fairly quiet. I'm 80% sure it's gonna raise me about here, and then I'll take it up to a notch. Yeah, I'll take it couple more decibels. Here we go, amplify. I'll go just 3.6. Here we go. Now this sound is good. This one not so good, but you can see it's already getting to the yellow zone, so it's better than before. Okay, and also, like, it's possible to just amplify section. I can like zoom in, and you can see I'm dragging the stop bar, right? So look, I can just kind of zoom in a little bit and go like this and just amplify certain section. For example, looks like this section is kind of, I'm sorry, this section is kind of quiet, so I can just take that and go like this. Just bring it up a little bit. Okay. Also, I can see that Tim was speaking fairly quiet at the end, so I can probably choose here and kind of make a little amplitude. Maybe there we go. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna export that file, probably MP3. That's fine. Final. Yes. And once it's done, I'm gonna drag that file to Premiere, and we'll see the difference. Okay, so this is the sound final. Let's see, I'm gonna take Premiere, right, drag it, let's see, I'm gonna go like this. So the Premiere is analyzing the sound wave. Usually I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Kellen, I'm busy! Okay, so it's done analyzing, and I'm just going to drag to original place, and that's it. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, here we go. So this is how.
Unpunished. And the message is really, God hates people who brag. God hates when we exhibit.
Okay, so it's definitely a better amplification. I can still see that the peak is about minus 14, but it's better than this, because this is minus 24. So we kind of doubled the sound. We amplified it by twice. If I go amplify 10 or 12, if I amplify it too much, then there's going to be a lot of noise issues with the sound. So I usually amplify twice by about 4 to 5 dB. Okay, hopefully you find this tutorial useful.